Winter's Craft Garden. Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back to Winter's Craft Garden. I'm here. I hope you're happy. I hope you're healthy. I am going to do another mystery craft. Let's get started. Let's see. Ooh, we have some glitter. We have Elmer's glue. Make sure it's washable. It's clear too. We got our teaspoon. We have mini hot glue gun. And we have a jar, our tree, and our penguin. And you know what? I think this is going to be a snow globe. Let's see what it is. It is a snow globe. I was right. Alright, so we're making a snow globe. See you later, mailbox. Let's get set up. Now that we've got our water, our glitter, our jar, our washable Elmer's glue, and our two trees and penguins, first we are gonna have to take the cap off and glue these down onto the cap. And you're probably thinking why? It's because it's gonna go in like boop, bada boop. And it's supposed to be like this. Let's go ahead and start that now. Good. Now it's time to quickly put the penguin. See? Now our penguin can stand. It's time for the tree. Boom, bada, boom, boom, boom. And quickly, safely, and carefully put it. They hold. That should be good. We're gonna let that dry. It's time for our water. I'm putting our water into here. All right. Stop. I'm gonna cap that, and then I'm gonna start gluing it until I get to a line. You know what? This is gonna go a lot faster if I twist the cap off. Okay, I think that is good. Maybe just a little more water. And then just more glue. We had some technical difficulties before backstage, so we're gonna start over. Instead of using glue, we're gonna use glycerin. Sorry, glue, but goodbye. Now we are going to use our glycerin. We're good. We're done with our glycerin. I'm gonna need a little more water, just a slight bit more. That's good. That's perfect. Now we add glitter. Yay! Our glitter's here. Time to pour. That's good. Glitter storm. Shake it some more. 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 Here's our snow globe. And here's the actual snow globe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. Woo-hoo. Yeah. See you next time. Bye. Good work, everyone. And one last thing before you go. I wanted to show you my cape.